Douglas A-3 Skywarrior. Here we go. T6 Texan. Finally taking off. I gotta make this quick because these ladies let me in and I'm not supposed to actually be in here. This is not open to the public right now, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. A-3 Skywarrior. You'll have to pause it if you want to read. Huh. There's a big freaking engine. Wish I had more time, but these two ladies let me in the gate at work here. And I guess if y'all want to look at it better, you'll just have to pause the video. It's a big freaking plane for a carrier-based jet. The old air refueling probe goes down a whole fuselage. Look at that. Crazy.